If one day I become ugly,
No, you are forever beautiful to me.
I will ask you a few questions. If you can answer, it means you love me. If you cannot answer, it means you do not love me. You cannot think, you only can say straight away. Okay, first question, what is my favorite color?
Pink.
Correct. Next question, what is my favorite food?
Char kway teow.
Correct. Next question, if me and your mother fell into the river, who will rescue first?
It's my fault. I should look after you and not let you fall into the river.
Correct. If one day I wash your clothes and accidentally spoil your shirt, will you be angry with me?
It's my fault again. I'm the man of the house. I should do all the housework and not let you touch any housework.
Correct. If one day I become ugly,
No, you are forever beautiful to me.
I mean one day if I grow.
No, you are forever beautiful to me.
I mean one day if I
No, you are forever beautiful to me.
Correct. Last question, if I want to renovate my house,
I already go to renopedia.sg. I already signed out via renopedia.sg. There will be 5 to 8 interior design firms contacting us. You will get free e-magazine, free checklist, free insurance. We have the chance to win out to $50,000.
correct. Well done, hubby. I love you.
I love you too.
Sign up with Renopedia to get free quotations and many more. Plus, stand a chance to win up to $50,000 when you renovate with us.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.